So guys, first thing I did in the mall, I had lunch, a late lunch with my brother and my sister and my niece Maya. And then I proceeded to doing window shopping. I started with these vases and frames, this decor, and this is exactly what I wanted. I also wanted laundry basket, and I got the one I wanted and the right size that is. And I also went on to check cups. I have small cups and glasses. Look at this nice glass. You can serve juice or champagne or anything else. And also I wanted for my cups, the small, so I want to change them. And I was able also to get the one that I was going to pick. Then I proceeded to throw pillows because I love throw pillows, guys. My other section that I was really interested in is the candle section. I love candles because they lit my room, all rooms, that is bedroom and sitting room. And this is, I just love them so much. If you get the right candle with the right essential oil, you will not regret. And the way they just burn slowly, so they do not just get burnt very fast, so they can at least stay for some days, and they make the room smell so nice. And I had one in the house that was not already finished, so as I was planning the one I'm going to pick so that I get to use it. Moving on, guys, I also wanted to like check where I can put my cups, the ones that I wanted. Then there's this bed, guys. I came across the beddings is all I was, the beddings. And then here we have the bed, the mat to the door. Look at it, it's so fluffy and just wow, it felt so nice touching it. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go for this, but not this color. And I was able to just see, yeah. The other is also looked at this, the lampshade, and I did not get the one I wanted, and I didn't like this that you can see here, but I said I would revisit next time. So I also came across these small cups, and I didn't want to pick the small ones. And guys, this also these these decor you put on your table or your console table, and this look amazing. We have the copper one, the one you can see right away, and then we have also silver. And guys, the beddings, I mean the comforters, I found them so nice and looking good. The price was not so overrated, but if I get another place I can pick comforters at a cheap price, I don't know, I'm yet to find out. This is window shopping, guys, and I'm going to pick the things that I'm showing you on the following weekend, that is. And yeah.